Hey, what's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the Jeremy Dewitte Show right here on YouTube with PoliceTube's uncle. We've got new updates in the case of Jeremy Dewitte. As you know, he was on trial starting this week, starting today, basically, in Osceola County for, failure to register his business, blah, blah, blah. Today was an interesting day, though. It was the start of the trial. In reality, actually, the trial begins tomorrow, August 20th. But today, Jennifer Burton was in court because she was being deposed by the prosecution. And we've got the inside scoop on that. As you know, our community friend Marion was in the courthouse today. She was listening to it all. And here's what's been reported. Apparently, the Assistant State Attorney, Justin Collins, along with the Judge Keith Karstein, was asking Jennifer a series of questions. And they were all about her relationship with Jeremy. They asked her about the incidents when she accused Jeremy Dewitte of her, in the back of the ambulance. And they asked her about the dating violence incident back in 2021. You guys remember the body-worn camera and the audio calls by the railroad tracks when Jeremy got reported and arrested? You see, they were trying to ascertain her credibility in these things. Now, it's interesting to note that Jennifer did claim on the stand, and she did verify that Jeremy Dewitte did force himself on her in a rapey manner. You know what I'm saying? And that was back in the ambulance days. She says that was a real story where Jeremy Dewitte really did that to her against her will. And she also said that the dating violence incident where he smashed her foot in the car door, she said that was real as well. But Justin Collins asked her, why did you drop the charges if it was real? And this is a quote from Jennifer. She said, "You just can't turn off love." That's a direct quote from her. She's saying that she loved him so much she couldn't turn it off. Now, around that time, Marion was actually she was told to step out of the courtroom due to privacy issues. Jennifer remained in there, so some stuff was going on behind closed doors. By the way, if you're wondering where I got this picture of Jennifer, just don't ask. You know how she is on these dating profiles. She doesn't like them to become publicized. And, she's trying to catfish some guys. So, she's a 23-year-old single woman looking for the right partner, according to her profiles. But anyway, what I was getting at is while Marion was waiting outside Keith Karstein's courtroom, she observed about 300 people, in her estimation, coming in with juror badges. They were coming off the elevators and being separated into two groups. And that's because there's two jury trials that are going on right now. Jeremy's case and the other case, which is scheduled right after it. So Jeremy Dewitte has two cases right now with two separate charges, basically both for the same thing, failing to register as a sexual offender. And the jury trial actually starts tomorrow. And this questioning of Jennifer was important today because these charges are for violation of his probation for failing to register as a sexual offender. And they've proven today with Jennifer's deposition, her answers under oath said that Jeremy Dewitte violently assaulted her and raped her. And that goes a long way to showing that he's a danger to the community. And the fact that he keeps violating his parole for his charges from 20 years ago for sexual deviations is very telling. And that's going to be used against him in this trial, which starts tomorrow, apparently. I hear there will be no pleas this time. So thank you very much for watching. Just remember, you just can't turn off love. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you. We're going to be staying on top of this trial all week, and then his federal case is starting again next week, and then he has another case going again after that. So make sure you stay tuned right here on the Jeremy Dewitte Show on YouTube, on PoliceTube's uncle's channel. You want to make sure that you don't miss a thing. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video if you found it interesting. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about all this stuff, and make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you next time. Make sure you have yourself a great day.